Welcome to Big Lift, your go-to channel for all things heavy lifting and machinery. Subscribe now for awe-inspiring videos of mega machines and innovative technologies that make the impossible possible. The multi-head breaker represents a pinnacle in heavy-duty construction equipment, specifically tailored for tasks that demand uncompromising strength and efficiency. This formidable machine is an attachment that interfaces with excavators or similar construction vehicles, augmenting their capabilities with its robust design and versatile functionality. At its core, the multi-head breaker embodies precision engineering and durability. Equipped with multiple heads, each outfitted with hardened steel components, it stands ready to tackle the most challenging materials encountered on job sites. Whether it's concrete, rock, or other solid structures, this breaker delivers relentless force, fragmenting them into manageable pieces with remarkable speed and efficiency. One of the standout features of the multi-head breaker is its adaptability. Operators can customize the configuration of heads to suit the specific demands of the task at hand, optimizing performance and maximizing productivity. This flexibility ensures that no matter the scale or complexity of the project, the multi-head breaker rises to the occasion, delivering consistent results with precision and finesse. The Malone Express stands as a testament to efficiency and reliability in the realm of agricultural machinery, specifically tailored to streamline the process of hay baling. Combining cutting-edge technology with rugged durability, this self-propelled baler redefines the standards for performance and productivity in the field. Designed to operate at high speeds without compromising on quality, the Malone Express boasts a range of features geared towards optimizing the baling process. Its advanced baling mechanism ensures consistent bale density and shape, producing uniform packages of hay with every pass. This level of consistency not only enhances the overall efficiency of the operation, but also facilitates subsequent handling and storage processes. Safety and user comfort are integral aspects of the Malone Express's design philosophy. From ergonomic cab layouts to intuitive control interfaces, every element is meticulously crafted to enhance operator experience and minimize fatigue during long hours in the field. The Fendt 900 Vario mount epitomizes the pinnacle of agricultural and forestry machinery, combining raw power with precision engineering to tackle the most demanding tasks with ease. Designed for versatility and efficiency, this formidable tractor represents a cornerstone in modern farming and forestry operations. At the heart of the Fendt 900 Vario mount lies a state-of-the-art engine, delivering unrivaled performance and fuel efficiency across a wide range of applications. Whether it's plowing fields, hauling heavy loads, or operating forestry equipment, this powerhouse of a tractor excels in every aspect, maximizing productivity while minimizing environmental impact. One of the defining features of the Fendt 900 Vario mount is its advanced transmission system, which allows for seamless shifting between gears and precise control over speed and torque. This not only enhances operational efficiency, but also reduces operator fatigue, enabling long hours of continuous operation without compromising on performance. In addition to its impressive powertrain, the Fendt 900 Vario mount is equipped with a high-capacity hydraulic system capable of powering a wide array of implements and attachments with ease. Whether it's front-end loaders, forestry equipment, or hydraulic tools, this tractor provides ample hydraulic flow and pressure to meet the demands of any task. Safety is paramount in any agricultural or forestry operation, and the Fendt 900 Vario mount incorporates a range of features to ensure operator peace of mind. From advanced stability control systems to ergonomic cab designs, every aspect of its construction is geared towards minimizing risks and enhancing operational safety. The crawler transporter is a marvel of engineering, designed to transport massive payloads with precision and efficiency. At the heart of the crawler transporter are its massive crawler tracks, which distribute the weight of the payload evenly and minimize ground pressure. This ensures that even on soft or uneven terrain, the transporter can move without sinking or causing damage to the surface below. The tracks are driven by powerful electric motors, providing the necessary torque to move the transporter and its payload smoothly and steadily. One of the key features of the crawler transporter is its modular design, which allows for easy customization to accommodate different payloads. This flexibility makes it a versatile tool for the aerospace industry, capable of transporting a wide range of spacecraft and rockets to their designated launch sites. Safety is a top priority in the design of the crawler transporter, with redundant systems and fail-safes built in to ensure the safe transport of valuable payloads. Advanced monitoring systems keep track of vital parameters such as speed, temperature, and pressure, alerting operators to any potential issues that may arise during transport. The Genius Mega Demolition Crane is a powerhouse of a machine, designed to tackle the most challenging demolition projects with ease. This massive crane is equipped with a range of features that make it ideal for demolishing large structures such as buildings, bridges, and industrial facilities. One of the standout features of the Genius Mega Demolition Crane is its sheer size and lifting capacity. With its towering boom and heavy-duty lifting equipment, it can easily reach and manipulate heavy materials at great heights, making it ideal for demolishing tall structures. In addition to its impressive lifting capacity, the Genius Mega Demolition Crane is also equipped with advanced demolition attachments that allow it to break apart concrete, steel, and other materials with precision and efficiency. These attachments can be easily swapped out, allowing the crane to adapt to different demolition tasks quickly and easily. The Trackstar 500 is a cutting-edge track-mounted screening plant designed for efficiency and versatility in a wide range of applications. This innovative machine combines high-performance screening capabilities with rugged durability, making it ideal for use in construction, mining, and quarrying operations. At the heart of the Trackstar 500 is its high-capacity screening deck, which is designed to efficiently separate materials of different sizes. Whether it's aggregates, topsoil, or recycled materials, this screening plant delivers consistent results, ensuring that only the desired materials pass through while the rest are efficiently discarded. One of the key features of the Trackstar 500 is its mobility. Mounted on tracks, This screening plant can easily navigate rough terrain and access remote locations, making it ideal for use in challenging environments. Additionally, its compact size allows it to be transported easily, reducing the time and cost associated with moving the machine between job sites. Safety is a top priority in the design of the Trackstar 500, with features such as advanced stability control systems and safety guards built in to ensure the safety of operators and bystanders. Additionally, the machine is equipped with advanced monitoring systems that keep track of vital parameters such as screen speed, material flow, and engine. Grover by Ironox is a revolutionary autonomous robot designed for agricultural applications, specifically targeted at weed control. This innovative machine is equipped with advanced AI and computer vision technology, allowing it to identify and eliminate weeds with precision and efficiency. At its core, Grover is powered by a sophisticated AI algorithm that enables it to distinguish between crops and weeds. Using its onboard cameras and sensors, the robot scans the field, identifies weeds, and applies targeted treatments to eliminate them, all without the need for human intervention. One of the key features of Grover is its adaptability. The robot is designed to work in various agricultural settings, from large-scale farms to small plots, making it a versatile tool for farmers of all sizes. Its compact size and agile maneuverability allow it to navigate tight spaces and uneven terrain with ease, ensuring that no weed is left unchecked. Safety is a top priority in the design of Grover, with built-in safety features that prevent collisions with obstacles and ensure the robot operates within predefined boundaries. Additionally, the robot is equipped with fail-safe mechanisms that shut it down in the event of a malfunction, minimizing the risk of damage to crops or equipment. Spot by Boston Dynamics is a cutting-edge robotic platform designed for a wide range of applications, including construction, inspection, and research. This versatile robot is equipped with advanced mobility and manipulation capabilities, making it ideal for tasks that require precision and agility. At its core, Spot is powered by a combination of advanced sensors, cameras, and onboard computers that enable it to navigate complex environments with ease. Whether it's climbing stairs, traversing rough terrain, or avoiding obstacles, this robot can handle it all thanks to its sophisticated control algorithms. One of the standout features of Spot is its modular design, which allows for easy customization with a variety of payloads and accessories. This flexibility makes it a versatile tool for a wide range of industries, from construction and agriculture to security and entertainment. Safety is a top priority in the design of Spot, with features such as obstacle detection and avoidance, as well as remote operation capabilities that allow operators to control the robot from a safe distance. Additionally, Spot is equipped with fail-safe mechanisms that ensure it shuts down safely in the event of a malfunction. The MX Phoenix by Zenta is a state-of-the-art autonomous drone designed for precision agriculture applications. This innovative drone is equipped with advanced sensors and imaging technology, allowing it to capture detailed data about crop health, soil conditions, and more, with unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. At its core, the MX Phoenix is powered by a sophisticated AI algorithm that analyzes the data collected during flights, providing farmers with valuable insights into their crop's health and growth patterns. This information can be used to optimize irrigation schedules, identify areas of pest infestation, and make informed decisions about crop management practice. One of the key features of the MX Phoenix is its versatility. The drone is designed to work in various agricultural settings, from small family farms to large commercial operations, making it a valuable tool for farmers of all sizes. Its lightweight and compact design allow it to navigate tight spaces and low-altitude environments with ease, ensuring that it can capture data from every corner of the field. Safety is a top priority in the design of the MX Phoenix, with built-in safety features that prevent collisions with obstacles and ensure the drone operates within predefined boundaries. Additionally, the drone is equipped with fail-safe mechanisms that allow it to return to base or land safely in the event of a malfunction. The low-loader Panther Series 2 is a heavy-duty trailer designed for transporting oversized and heavy loads with ease and efficiency. This versatile trailer is equipped with a range of features that make it ideal for hauling large equipment, machinery, and other bulky items. One of the standout features of the low-loader Panther Series 2 is its versatility. The trailer is designed to accommodate a wide range of loads, with adjustable axles and loading ramps that can be configured to suit different types of equipment. This flexibility makes it a valuable asset for a variety of industries, from construction and mining to agriculture and forestry. Safety is a top priority in the design of the low-loader Panther Series 2, with features such as hydraulic brakes and advanced lighting systems that ensure visibility and control in all conditions. Additionally, the trailer is equipped with load sensing systems that monitor weight distribution and adjust the suspension accordingly, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. In conclusion, the low-loader Panther Series 2 is a versatile and reliable trailer that is ideally suited for transporting oversized and heavy loads. With its robust construction, versatile design, and emphasis on safety, it is a valuable asset for industries that require efficient and reliable transportation of large equipment and machinery.